getting answers to your immigration questions.
This is my question.
Go ahead.
I had an approval of my I-130 petition last January 31st. But then on January 30, I received a request for evidence regarding the application of permanent residence or adjustment of status. Okay? But actually they needed I-864 regarding the affidavit of support of my husband.
Right.
My husband is receiving SS, which is only $12,000, and he is receiving 100% disability benefits for at least $42,000 a year.
Okay.
So is the VA veterans benefits and income to be included?
Yes.
In his income?
Yes.
Oh.
So his income is about, doesn't matter if it's taxable or not, it's still income. So his income is over $50,000.
Yeah, the lawyer that applied my visa last October 7th, he did not include.
Well, the lawyer's wrong.
VA,
your lawyer is wrong. All right, because the I-864 doesn't say tell us what your taxable income is. It says what is your income. There's some income that's not taxable, and there's others that is.
Yeah. That's why I was telling her, you did not include my husband VA benefits, which is $42,000 a year plus $12,000. He's receiving around $54,000.
Yeah, he's fine.
You don't need a affidavit of support, right?
You don't need it. Just for the two of you, no.
Okay.
Right. Especially if it's not taxable, then it's almost like earning $100,000.
Is VA benefits public charges?
No, it's not, because he gets disability because of a disability. So Donald Trump, if Donald Trump didn't have bone spurs, which he didn't have, and he went to Vietnam, which he didn't do, and if he got shot and disabled in Vietnam, which never happened, as a millionaire, he would get disability too. So it's not need based.
Yeah. Now this is my question. My husband applied for benefits, which is actually automatic for a child and a wife for his monthly income benefits from the VA. If that will affect
none of it is need based.
Yeah, even we don't have yet our adjusted status.
None of it is need based. That I can't tell you. I don't know if. Because I'm not a military attorney. I'm not a disability attorney. Yeah. So let me stop by saying I don't know if, as a you're basically a non-immigrant who is adjusting to lawful permanent resident status, whether or not VA benefits accrue to a non-LPR spouse. I don't know that for a fact if it does or it doesn't. Yeah, but I do know that if it does accrue to you, accrue means you're entitled to it.
He was entitled.
Well, okay, I said if you're entitled to it, you're entitled to it. It doesn't affect your immigration. Just follow the law when it comes to that. All right?
That will clear my... I have sleepless nights with all of these questions to you.
Thank you.
You know, I've been trying to reach you a lot. You know, many times I watch your program I really admire you.
Appreciate it. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for your enlightenment, so I don't need to file for affidavit of support.
No. But you have to be able to demonstrate all this income. You still got to demonstrate the income. You just can't say, I get it. You got to show it.
Yes,
right.
I will demonstrate the income. I will have to, submit the VA benefits.
Exactly.
But before, my husband, when we submitted the first time in October 7, 2019, we already submitted my daughter and the husband for affidavit of support. They're receiving around $90,000.
So you did an extra one. Good. Doesn't matter. Doesn't hurt.
Oh, it doesn't matter?
No, it doesn't hurt.
Okay, thank you.
All right,
so
be
much,
well.
Brad.
Thank you.
I love you.
Thank you very much. Don't let your husband hear that, but thank you. Thanks for watching. For more Brad Show Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.